So today is mo nilang event there guys. So Saturday. So meaning na ay ano, DJ later. Ang friend oh. Char.
From London.
No. Mo na diha. Mo na diha day. Oh my gosh, ay sinapot na dyan mo iksuon. Ito yung view nila guys. See?
Take a tree.
Yung mga prices. Kayo na lang magbasa ha. Basta yan. Pero mura na yan kumpara sa iba. Yung ano nila dito, yung beer. Magkano ba mga beer dito ba? Nasa mga 45-35 kroner.
You're not gonna find my friend, but find. Yeah, now it's your birthday.
Martin, do you like this place?
I love this place.
Why?
Because
Is that cheese and tonic there? Ooh.
that is
Why do you like this place, babe?
because you're here. I love it whenever you're here with me. I enjoy it so much.
Coffee muna ako guys kasi parang inaantok ako. So after this, maybe later I'm gonna drink beer. I already drank beer, 2 glasses. But I'm really feeling sleepy, so I'm gonna have coffee. Okay, though. No, I'm happy. I got this. Cheers, but at first. What is this called?
Which one?
Is it just me? It tastes bitter.
You want more sugar?
It just tastes bitter. Maybe because I've been drinking beer.
This is better. Taste this. This is better. I can just get some more sugar. It's better sugar. That's better. You want more sugar?
Yeah, I want it. Be nice to me. What? Oh, they also give me a chocolate. See?
Well, that's it.
Oh, I want more sugar. Maybe 2 sugar. Maybe it's my taste buds. Maybe because I've been drinking beer.
It could be.
It really tastes. Oh, 3 of them? Oh, wow. That's a lot, huh?
And now it's up up to the other side.
Don't you think they're gonna come back?
No,
All right.
of course not. But then again, I didn't think they're gonna come to them in time.
Here.
I think, cheers. Let's have a fucking nice night, huh?
I think you put something in this.
What?
You put something in. Without me knowing.
Is it good or is it not good?
You put Baileys or something. Did you?
Is it? No, I didn't. They didn't get Baileys, so there's nothing in
So
it.
what did you put?
Nothing.
Be honest.
Nothing. A little vanilla extra.
Huh?
Just a little vanilla to make it more nice. Is it good?
I don't know. I'm confused.
There's a little vanilla liquor in it.
See, I told you, it's like there's a bitter taste. It's not the normal one.
Yeah, but it's good.
It's fine, but it's just I
Yeah.
don't want the
Every,
coffee makes me
no,
any
I want you to be happy.
it's not making me happy.
Yeah, it's making you happy.
How much is this?
Altogether 140. Double this one, double this one, double this one.
Fuck, I really hate you. Why would you do that? I just wanted to enjoy a real nice coffee.
You are. You are. Enjoy.
Kaya pala iba yung lasa, guys. May ano pala, may mixture ng something tong coffee ko, see?
Basically, that's a
So ito
reminder.
na. May halong something, guys. Ewan ko lang kung ano. But anyway, sa coffee, tastes good. Hello guys, nasa Copenhagen pa rin kami. And katatapos lang ng concert at na-shock ako guys. Yung aggressive na mga tao. Pero ano siya, masaya siya in a way. Pero yung pushing tapos ang lalaki ng mga tao, 'di ba? So I ended up being on the stage. Yung ano talaga, nasa stage ako para hindi ko masali sa ano, push.
What do you want?
I said nothing. Keep on asking the same question. So now, pabalik na kami sa pinagstayhan namin and we're just walking. Tapos nagutom daw si, gutom si Martin kaya kain siya ng hotdog dyan. I don't want anything kaya I just really wanna be home. So, it's almost 1 in the morning here. Dami pa rin tao guys, see? May mga tao pa rin. Kasi Saturday din naman, kaya madami nagpa-party, ganyan.
Jeg er ikke engang om. Måske er det hele på hotdoggen.